Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to make a chicken that's spicy, peppery, but in a pressure cooker. So let's get started with our recipe for Andhra Style Chili Chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to start with making the marinade for the chicken. The first thing I'm going to add to my mixer jar here is 1 cup of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves or pudina leaves, juice of half a lemon, 8 green chilies that have just been chopped into half, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, a 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just going to grind this up now. I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of water. Wow, that's really pungent and perfect for the marinade now. I'm going to add this coarse marinade to the chicken. Mix it really well, making sure that the chicken pieces are really nicely coated in this marinade. This is coated really well in the marinade. I'm going to cover this up and let it rest for 1 hour. It's been an hour and the chicken has marinated really well. It's time to start cooking. To this pressure cooker, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil and let that heat up slightly. To this hot oil, I'm going to add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 5 to 6 peppercorns. Just stir that around so that the oil becomes nice and fragrant with the curry leaves and the pepper. Time for the chicken to hit the pan. The chicken's going to get only slightly fried. I'm just going to make sure that I add every bit of this delicious marinade to the pan now. Stir that around. This needs just about half a cup of water now. Again, just stir that. Now just cover this up and either on a high flame or on a 1000-watt heat, give it 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, I've turned the flame off completely and let the pressure release naturally. So now, let's check on the chicken. Ooh, wow. Now the final step is to put this back on the heat and make a slight slurry to thicken the gravy that's here. I've got a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and about a tablespoon of water. And just mix this really well and add that to the chicken. Now take the flame up to high and just stir this slurry in and wait for it to thicken. This Andhra style chili chicken is absolutely ready to eat, so I'm going to serve it up. My favorite way is to eat it with parathas. This Andhra style chili chicken is an absolute winner chicken dinner, and I really hope you'll try this recipe soon. For more such pressure cooker recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.